Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how you can ship your item in Stockx. So there is an article that explains exactly how to ship your or properly ship your item to Stockx. So these are the rules to respect. First of all, place your item into a bigger and sufficiently sized shipping box. A general rule to respect is the box should be no bigger than 2 inches or 5 centimeters on either side of your shoebox. Then, use bubble wrap and or shipping paper to ensure the item is secure in the box while in transit. And the third thing is to properly tape and secure the shipping box using the H method. This is how it should look like. Of course, you need to also tape or insert the provided shipping label to the outside of the shipping box as it's shown in the picture, and do not send them any box with any personal items from the shoebox or any shipping box. Do not tape the shipping label directly into the shoebox, and do not tape up and send them only the shoebox. Also, do not send your sneakers in a box too big with no bubble wrap or packing paper, because this is what it will end up looking like. The whole box will be destroyed. And do not have any box with hazmat stickers on it. You must remove them before you send it. Also, do not use shipping box that is too small, and do not send the shoebox in an envelope. Do not send the package to them without attaching the shipping label that they generate for you. And do not send them the shoebox or the shoes without a shoebox. Of course, do not send any fragile item in zero packing paper. And finally, do not send them an item in a box of cereal. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. And see you guys in this upcoming video.